I'm Memy9909, and today I'm going to do something really stupid. I'm going to blow up the microwave. Yay, I blew up the microwave. Yay, I blew up the microwave. Uh-oh.
Memy, I can't believe you blew up the microwave. That costed $500. That's it. You are grounded for 586743928499999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999 years. Now go to your room right now and go to bed.
Well,